Rocket Tech. Blue Origin's third New Glenn flight hits orbital Snag. While Blue Origin successfully launched and recovered its third New Glenn first stage, the payload reached an incorrect orbit. The direct-to-cellphone satellite failed to achieve its intended deployment parameters during the April mission. On the positive side, successful recovery of the massive first stage proves the vehicle's structural integrity and reusable design potential. On the other hand, repeated upper stage deployment issues may erode customer confidence in the heavy-lift rocket's reliability for critical payloads. Mission: NASA STORIE mission to map Earth's invisible particle trap. NASA announced the STORIE mission to investigate the ring current, a donut-shaped region of charged particles trapped by Earth's magnetic field. This study aims to improve predictions for disruptive space weather events. On the positive side, understanding the ring current is vital for protecting global satellite infrastructure from damaging solar radiation storms. On the other hand, launching dedicated heliophysics missions is costly compared to utilizing existing multi-purpose environmental monitoring satellites. Planetary science. New state of matter discovered in ice giant interiors. Researchers identified a quasi-1D state of matter that likely exists under extreme pressures within Uranus and Neptune. This discovery explains the chaotic internal chemistry and unusual magnetic fields of solar system ice giants. On the positive side, identifying novel states of matter allows physicists to finally model the mysterious magnetic behaviors of distant planets. On the other hand, laboratory simulations of extreme planetary interiors remain theoretical without direct in-situ atmospheric probes of the ice giants. Commercial space. Starcloud achieves unicorn status for orbital data centers. Orbital data center startup Starcloud is seeking $200 million in new funding after reaching a $2.2 billion valuation. The company plans to deploy massive computing networks in space to bypass terrestrial limitations. On the positive side, moving data centers to orbit reduces the environmental footprint of terrestrial cooling and land use requirements. On the other hand, space-based computing faces massive hurdles regarding latency, radiation shielding, and the risk of increasing orbital debris. Astronomy. VLBA pierces Orion Nebula to weigh hidden stars. The Very Long Baseline Array radio telescope successfully measured the masses of young stars hidden behind dense gas in the Orion Nebula. The observations focused on the binary systems Brun 656 and HD 294300. On the positive side, radio interferometry provides a unique window into starbirth regions that remain completely invisible to optical telescopes. On the other hand, highly specialized radio arrays require immense computational resources and years of data processing to produce usable results.